First of all, name of Allah. Hi. In this CSS tutorial, we will learn about CSS hero image. In body section, we will use heading level 1 and close the heading level 1. Heading, we will use CSS hero image, copy, paste into heading level 1. Underneath heading level 1, we will create development and close the development. In between developments, we will use development, open and close the development. In between developments, we will use heading level 1 and close the heading level 1. So we use the dummy text just for running, copy, paste into heading 1. Underneath heading level 1, we will use heading level 3, open and close heading level 3. Heading and use dummy heading just for learning, copy, paste into heading level 3. Now we will use underneath button, open button tag and close the button tag. Button name, click, and underneath development we will use open p element and close the p element. In between p element we will use dummy text just for learning, copy and paste into paragraph p element. Copy p elements, paragraph, underneath paragraph, and control V use for paste. We can also use different background properties on a div to create a hero image, a large image with text, and place it where you want. In head section, we will use internal CSS, open style tag and close the style tag. In between style tag, we will use period vector and use hero image. Open curly braces and close curly braces. In between curly braces, we will use CSS property and property value background colon URL parentheses. In between parentheses, we will use image. I already save image in root folder, which name is image. Open, right click on it, H image, type of file .jpg and size 2.6 MB, and we will use this image H. Root folder name image / h.jpg and semicolon. This hero image and period vector use in development. Class attribute use equal double quotes. In between double quotes we will use hero image. And save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Underneath background, we will use background hyphen size column and set the size cover semicolon and save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Underneath background, we will use height 500 colon 500 px semicolon. Underneath height, we will use position colon relative semicolon. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Underneath hero image, and now we will use period vector and use text. Open curly braces and close curly braces. In between curly braces, we will use text align center colon and semicolon. After that, we will use its position absolute position colon absolute semicolon. And underneath position we will use its top margin 50%. Underneath semicolon, underneath top we will use left margin 50%. Semicolon, and underneath we will use transform. Transform colon transparent, and parentheses use. In between parentheses we will use 50%, comma, negative values hyphen, and use 50%, and semicolon use. After that, color, text color change into white, and semicolon. This period character and text use in second if class attribute use equal double quotes. In between double quotes we will use text, and save the file. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Inline CSS use style equal double quotes. In between double quotes we will use font size hyphen size, and colon 50 px 50 px. Now we will use body selector. After that, open curly braces and close curly braces. In between curly braces we will use margin colon 0 semicolon. After that, font family colon font family Arial, comma, Helvetic, and comma sans serif semicolon, and save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. In background URL we will use nom repeat, and use center. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. We can use hyphen or negative value for paragraph, and button for center its position. So we will use hyphen or negative value, refresh the page, as serif, save the file and go to the browser and refresh the page.